Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is addition. Addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them together. The sign of addition is plus. Today we are going to learn addition by counting method. Our first question is, in this question, which one is the bigger number? 7 is the bigger number, so we will start with 7. Let's draw 7 lines beside the number 7. Now for the smaller number, we will draw 4 lines beside 4. We are done with the lines, so now we will count the lines. Starting from above, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many lines do we have? We have 11 lines. So the answer will be 11. Okay, now let's learn how to read this question. Starting from 7, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. How to solve a question if we have double numbers on either sides like this? First, we will solve the ones place digits, which are 4 and 2. Draw 4 lines beside 4 and 2 lines beside 2. Now let's count the lines. It will be 6. Write the answer below ones place digits like this. Now add the tens place digits, which are 5 and 1. Draw 5 lines beside 5 and 1 line beside 1, and the answer will be 6. Write the answer below tens place digits. We have solved the question, but we don't know how to read it. So let's learn how to read this question. We will read it like 54 plus 12 is equal to 66. What if we have objects instead of numbers? Can you count the objects? Let's see. Sarah gave 6 flowers to her teacher and Ali gave 2 flowers to her teacher. So how many total flowers does the teacher have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now I will give you some problems and let's see if you can solve them using this method.